Hello viewers, 31st of October, Australia. It's around about 6:30 p.m. local time, Queensland, state of Queensland. Storms. We've had some very serious destructive storms over the last couple of weeks up and down the east coast.
Super cell. We've got a warning a short time ago. Our community of Hampton is in direct path of this storm. It's the first time in 25 years I've been here seeing hail this size. They're getting up to marble size. The wind is starting to pick up quite a bit. Heavy rain. We're getting up the golf ball size out now. I'm backing off.
And there were two storms, separate storm cells. Very fast moving, very localised, very intense. Two storm cells were about 10, maybe 15 minutes apart.
This is round two, second storm cell moving in over the top of us about 15 minutes after the last one. This pile's getting up in size too, probably a bit bigger than the marble size at this stage. Not a lot of wind but heavy rain.
With wind, heavy rain, flash flooding and hail. Today, where I live, we had a hailstorm. Now, it's not unusual for us to get hail here. We've been living here for about 25 plus years, and whilst we've had some severe storms here, high winds, microbursts and that sort of thing, and generally speaking, hail has been pea-sized, probably a little bit bigger, but today was different. Today we had two storms roll through about 2:30, very severe storms. Warnings were issued, and the hail we got today ran around about 1.5 inches in diameter. Some of it was ball shaped, some of it had very jagged edges. Now, the 25 plus years we've been living here, this is the worst hailstorm we have experienced here. I have experienced really bad hailstorms in other areas of my state, but where we're living now, it is the worst hailstorm we have ever experienced. These storms move further east, down into the Lockyer Valley. One of my subs lives in Rosewood. He posted up a video on YouTube. We are seeing reports still coming in on social media of the damage done around here. A lot of people were caught out on the road in it. With the hail that size, you're travelling along the highway at whatever speed it may be, 100 kilometres an hour is the speed limit. It's like a missile or a rifle bullet going through your windscreen. The damage to us, yes, minor hail damage to our vehicle. We had it partially covered. No broken glass, thankfully, so we've got on to the insurance company and we'll let them sort that out. The vehicle is still serviceable, no problems at all. Our solar panels, we don't know. They're rated to certain size of hail and wind speed and all that sort of stuff. But we're on the line now with the insurance company to get somebody out here to inspect them, so that if there's any hairline cracks in the solar panels that I can't see or find, it's best to get a professional out here to inspect them, because if there are hairline cracks in them, then you get seepage of water into the panels and it destroys them. So that's the story. Higgins storm chasing, he's well known in southeast Queensland, based on the Sunshine Coast around the Maloney area, I believe. He was posting warnings and did a live stream around about 11 o'clock this morning with these storms coming through. And our cat were very, very edgy, very, very nervous 4 to 5 hours before the storms even arrived. So it's just one of those things. I'm a storm chaser myself, and over time you sort of pick up these little bits and pieces of information that pets can tell you. Aching bones is another one. Cloud formation, the colour of the sky and that sort of thing. But for Higgins, he was spot on, and I've got to say, a lot of people have given him a hard time, saying that he was spreading panic and all this sort of stuff. No, he was doing the communities right up and down the affected areas where these storms were going to hit. He was sending out warnings to be prepared and to take shelter as these storms move through. Of course, you can't accurately predict where they're going to hit, but that's the nature of our summer, spring storms we have here in southeast Queensland, right down into northern New South Wales and so on. So at this time, yep, we're all safe and well here at home. We check with family and friends, they're all okay. Some have more damage than others, but everybody's safe that we know of. Prepared for storms, natural disasters, yes, it's all part and parcel of it. Thank you, viewers. Stay safe and well.